enough of them want you dead and gone, but everywhere you go, you hold your head and gone. You know me happy see me one band, so when them see me on the top, you know me one gone. Goodbye to me haters, soon my friends. Me a pray for Jamaica, me soon again.
Good afternoon, guys. So today I'm going on my first plane ride. Look at the fit. Really simple and comfy. But yeah, I'm going to Dangriga town, so make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned until I reach Dangriga town and see what I did after that. Bye beauties, enjoy. Mwah. Okay, so here we were getting dropped to the airport. As you know, in Key-Calker you need transportation, so we were getting dropped to the airport and we had to wait for a long while till our plane arrived. So just sit back and relax and get your popcorns ready, guys. We had arrived to the airport. Okay y'all, so that's my dad. I don't know what he was doing, but yeah, that's my dad. And my brother, my mom was playing with his hair. I don't know for what. I know he was super pissed. But yeah. Okay, y'all. So that was our plane. And by the way, we were using Maya. Y'all, I was super scared. It was my first time on a plane. But after all, it turned out just fine. But I recommend to have that vomiting bag while you're going on a plane, y'all. I'm super excited. Okay y'all, so we're going towards the plane. We're about to board. We're just following the director. I was so excited and scared at the same time, but it was fun, y'all. So the plane at the back was what we were going on. This was Tropic Air, and the one that we catch was Maya, so we had to wait for that to pass.
Father God, you know my pain. When we remember the heartache, work so hard, I'ma feel like something again. You can't lie, this a reality. Damage me, have a whole dog where you tempt me. Mama want the son to make them shell me. To the worst crime and pocket empty. Father God, hear me out. Father God, please hear me out. Please me out, so for show me a sign. Me no want, me no crime, me no want, me no time, no. Father God, hear me out. Father God, you know hear me shout. First when me nah have no food free mouth, me no want none of bad God, me just want make it out. I know them call me the dance side Jesus. I tell you them live the life of crime, cause them no need that.
Okay y'all, so we were finally moving. They were going slow. They were turning, y'all.
No hungry mouth, man, feed that all. When me nah have it, me still no make them see that. Yeah, enough deny me like pizza. That's why me nah go run down no artist for no feature. Man does a hold it on a seizure. And if you don't know for pray, alright, me teach you. Just say, Father God, hear me out. Father God, please hear me out. Please me out, so for show me a sign. Me no want, me no crime, me no want, me no time, no. Father God, hear me out. Father God, you know hear me shout. First when me nah have no food free mouth, me no want none of bad God, me just want make it out. Yeah, me thank you for my life, my family, and my friend them. Me appreciate love every day me rise, and the blessings when I send them. Youths want well it cause things could arrest. One time God me woulda make a big tech burst.
And we're going up, y'all. Goodbye, Key-Calker. See you until Monday. Y'all, when I post up this video, I probably will already be home. But it is what it is. Look at that sea. Ooh, baby. That view was so pretty, y'all. But I was scared. My belly was hurting, so I had to grab the vomiting bag. But thankfully, I didn't vomit. I just prayed before we had start flying up because I was scared. By the way, Here I was showing you guys the rules when you're on the plane. Feel free to read, or if you don't have to. So we already landed in Belize. Here we were in Belize, and then we had to wait for our next flight because we took a plane from Kikaka to Belize and Belize to Dangriga, so we had to wait. So I went on 2 plane ride, y'all.
So for sure me a sign, me no want, and a crime, me no want, and a time, no. Okay, I know you alone. Life too short for you worry about, so like I hate me.
Okay, y'all, so we're on the next flight to Dangriga, Belize. So y'all, this is Belize. We're flying over, well, not over Belize, but this is the view that you get when passing Belize. Okay, so we're going through the clouds. It was bumpy, y'all. As y'all know, when you're up in the air and you're going through the clouds, when the clouds is underneath, you bounce up and down. But yeah, the experience was fun though. So we're in Dangriga. That's why you're seeing no bushes. So we're about to land, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you can see every time I post a new video. Overall, y'all, I overcome my biggest fear, and I'm so proud of myself. Thank God for that we were safe. Bye, beauties.